Question 15. Three equations. First one's fairly straightforward. Most people got this one right. 7x plus 18 is 74. We need to get rid of a plus 18 by taking it away. So we get 7x equals 56. And then we divide by 7 to get x equals 8. Second one, expand the brackets. So we get 6y minus 15 equals minus 12. 1 mark for that. And then we need to plus for 15. So we get 6y minus 12 plus 15 is 3. A lot of people got this far and then just messed up because their heart told them the answer should be 2. We divide by the number of y's we got, so we divide by 6. Y equals 3 divided by 6, which cancels down to a half. Okay, and the last one. Start by expanding the brackets. 5p plus 7 equals 12 minus 3p. 3 times 4 and 3 times minus p. Okay. Get rid of the p's from this side. So opposite of minus 3p is plus 3p. So we get 8p plus 7 equals 12. Then we take away the 7, 8p equals 5, and divide by the 8, p is 5/8. If you wanted to change it to a decimal, 0.625, that's fine, but 5/8 will get you a mark quite happily. Okay. Question 16. A straight line graphs question. I realise that we did straight line graphs under lockdown and it's not ideal, so well done to those that did get anything on this one. We've got a line that goes from A, which is 0, 1, to B, which is 10, 6. Okay, and we need the equation of that line. The equation of a line is y equals mx plus c, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. Now the good thing is we've got the y-intercept, we know it goes through 1. So we know it's going to be plus 1 at the end. So it's y equals the gradient times x plus 1. So we need to work out the gradient of this line, how steep it is. Okay, so the gradient is how much it goes up for every 1 we go across. When we're going from A to B, we have to go across from 0 to 10. So it's going across 10. And it's going up from 1 to 6, so that's going up 5. So for every 10 we go across, we're going up 5. So how do we work out how much we go up for every 1 we go across? We have to scale it down. 5 divided by 10. Okay, so the gradient is the change in y divided by the change in x. 5 over 10, which is 1/2, which makes sense. For every 1 we go across, we go up a half, which means when we go across 10, we're going to go up 10 lots of a half, which is 5. So the gradient's a half, so it's y equals a half x plus 1. Okay. Part B. Write down the equation of a line that passes through a point 0, 1. So any other equation that goes through that point. Okay, so it's going to be y equals mx, where m is the gradient, plus 1, because that's the y-intercept. Now it doesn't matter what that m is. You could have y equals 3x plus 1. You could have y equals 22x plus 1. You could have y equals minus 2.738x plus 1. As long as you've got something times x plus 1. You don't even need that something plus x, because the equation of the line y equals 1 just looks like that, and it goes through 1 there. So you could just have y equals 1. Okay? The key thing is that you've got nothing else added to that 1 apart from something times x. Okay. Don't worry too much. I know that you did straight line graphs under lockdown and people have had varied success with them, and you will be looking at it again in year 9, so don't panic about it. Okay? Right, stay safe.